here. So you'll be starting at the Cine Corregidor. This is the cinema, or the where they watch the movies, the Americans and their family. So these Americans and their family have 781 seats at that Cine Corregidor. So this Cine Corregidor has chairs made of rattan. The gentlemen will come over there in tuxedo suits, color white, and the ladies in a nice gown. So they are enjoying watching the movies in the center. Every May 6th is the surrender of Corregidor, 1942. Every May 6th at exactly 12 noon, the sunlight will shine all of the altar table at the ground floor. This is in remembrance of the Filipinos and the Americans who fought against the Japanese. They handle the anti-aircraft guns. 3,000 men are stationed to sleep here in double-deck beds. The building is designed for the tropical climate. It is also designed to be hurricane-proof. The next building is for the Philippine soldiers. They are for the 91st Coast Artillery Regiment handling the coastal guns. Now, the families of these Filipinos and American enlisted men are placed and situated at the front of this barracks. We have passed by at the back, the top side. This is Battery Way. We will be going back to this after we have visited the top side portion of the for this building from end to end. It is about 1,520 feet, about a third of a mile. But the soldiers jogging from the ground floor up to the third floor add up to 1 mile. So this is also known as the mile-long barrack. Now the original insignia is still up there, the orange insignia. This is the original insignia of the 59th Coast Artillery Regiment. Now this building is the most modern building at that time. This was built in 1914. It has electricity, telephone communication lines, piping lines for the fresh water, and in that building it has a sea-salt swimming pool. Mess hall, them in Congress, the rest in Malacanang. Okay, so we are now rounding up Malinta Hills and Malinta Tunnel, which was the name given by the Americans because of the complaining Bilibid prisoners. So they call this place Malinta Hill and the tunnel Malinta Tunnel. Now we are now overlooking a view of the 3 smaller islands that was fortified by the Americans. Unfortunately, we can only see one. The biggest island near Corregidor, Caballo Island or Horse Island, that was named Fort Huge. Corregidor was named Fort Mills. That was Fort Huge.